In this video, you'll learn how to add multiple dates as pages in Notion. By the end of this guide, you will be able to create a structured layout that organizes your dates effectively within your Notion workspace. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the address for Notion. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your workspace. This is crucial as you will need to create and edit pages. Next, locate the option to add a new page. This can usually be found on the left sidebar of your Notion dashboard. Clicking on this option will prompt a new blank page to open, allowing you to start entering your content. After the new page appears, direct your attention to the title section at the top. Click on the area labeled Untitled to enter a title for your new page. This title should reflect the date or event you are planning to document. Once you have entered a title, click on a blank space on the page to ensure your title is saved. This action confirms that your input is recorded in Notion. It's important to click away from the title to activate the page editing features. Now, type in the command /database in the blank space you just clicked. This command allows you to create a database within your page. A drop-down menu will appear showing various database options available in Notion. Click on the option labeled Database Inline from the drop-down menu. This action will embed a new database directly into your page, allowing for more structured data entry related to. After the database appears, find and click on the option labeled Document Hub within the database. This will help you categorize your entries effectively. Make sure to review the options to select the one that best fits your needs. Next, click on the button that says Get Started. This will initiate the setup of your database, enabling you to customize it according to your preferences and requirements. Once the setup is complete, click on Done to finalize the initial configuration of your database. This step is essential for ensuring that your database is ready for the next stages of data entry. Now locate the slider on your interface and click on it to adjust the settings. This action allows you to customize the view and functionality of your database, making it easier to manage your dates. Proceed by clicking on a new property within your database. This allows you to add additional fields that can be used to categorize and sort your dates effectively. After adding a property, select the option labeled Date. This will create a field specifically for entering dates, which is crucial for the functionality of your database. Choose a date from the calendar that appears. This action allows you to specify the exact date you want to associate with your page. Make sure to select the correct date to ensure accurate record keeping. Continue by clicking on the date you want for the first column of your database. This step is important for establishing a clear timeline within your Notion workspace. Next, click on the date you want from the second row. This action allows you to add additional dates to your database, expanding your organization efforts. Then click on the date you want from the third row. This will allow you to include multiple dates, enhancing the functionality of your database. After you've selected your dates, click on a blank space to finalize your entries. This confirms that your selections are saved and allows you to move on to the next steps. Now, click on a new view option to explore different ways to visualize your data. This feature can help you customize how your dates are displayed within your database. Select the calendar view from the available options. This will present your dates in a calendar format, making it easier to track events and deadlines visually. Finally, click on a blank space again to ensure all your selections and configurations are recorded. This is an important step to finalize your setup within Notion. And there you have it. You successfully added multiple dates as pages in Notion. Thanks for watching and see you soon.